Hello, welcome back. Today we're gonna work on raster click. But I'm also actually doing some video editing at the same time because our program is actually pre-processing one of the videos yet. It didn't finish up last time. Whatever. Let's see. Open up the hex screen and I think we'll just get started. Oh, I didn't even set up the build sheet, but that should be fine. It's quicker now because I can do it locally. Cool. Everything was still open, so I can do this stuff rather quickly. Right. What did we do? Right, we got the to-do list. The nice thing about streaming now is that all this quiet stuff gets cut out. And we can see it running somewhere. Where did I put it? Yeah, it's still doing its thing. It's costing a bit of CPU power, but it should be fine. Yeah, really a lot. Oh, right, and we also need to compile this, of course. So, yeah, a lot of CPU power. And then after that, we need to also compile GTDS. Well, I completely forgot. I haven't worked on raster for a while. Yeah, but about the automated editing stuff, I'm getting really excited about it. Like, it's one of those things that it just seems like it should exist, but apparently nobody has set it up yet. Because if you Google for it, there's no service that does this for you. And that like makes me think, there's opportunity here. There may be opportunity here. I want to have a tab. Oh, it opened up there, okay. So yeah, like if you Google for automated video editing, there's nothing, is there? It's like a program or something. Yeah, so I've been thinking about, like, this is possibly something you can make a service out of. But we're not there yet, like, it's not good enough, I think. Like, what I do probably is make it satisfy my own needs, and then I'll just make a crappy front end for it and see if people are interested in it. I'll just make, like, a simple form to post videos. And, yeah, see how it does, right? Maybe make a little bit of advertisement for it. But, yeah, I want to keep on focusing on raster for now. Because I know for a fact this works. Like, this is interesting. I remember now. OHJS, I think. Oh fuck, I cleaned. That sucks. I need to restart again. I should have set it up before stream, but I was late. Actually, I need to be careful not to... Right, it needs to be very quiet, desktop audio. Because otherwise the cutting thing doesn't work well. And we're gonna fix that too later. Lots of improvements. It hasn't been it has been long since I've been excited by a project that much. Like, it actually is working. It's amazing. I wanna also check the result later. I started doing this in the afternoon because I was tweaking with settings. Like, I started doing this at 3, I think, and still doing it. So maybe like the speed it does things is kind of slow. I calculated it should delete about 14,000 frames. Time altered frames saved. Wait, this is like the frames you're saving? I thought it was the frames you're deleting. Well, I guesstimated it should be about 14,000. So the fact it's still going means there's more. Yeah. What are we gonna do today? Let's actually go through that. We need to wait for it to compile. Maybe we should just start later, but whatever. Whatever, man. Probably also make an advertisement on Twitter. I'm still waiting on things anyway. I blocked it though. I'm getting addicted to Twitter as well. This is like my list of things I'm addicted to. By addicted I mean I just like go there occasionally to check it out for no reason at all. Mental hook, they call it. It's the new way of designing your software as a service thing, right? Just make sure that your users occasionally check it out every 2 or 3 hours. Like email. It's obnoxious. Yes. Streaming and editing. Streaming Haskell and editing video at the same time. My computer is doing the editing, I'm not doing anything. I'm not sure how long it will take. I thought, because now it has been doing that audio stuff for an hour, I think. I would expect it to be similar. Like, turns out that FFmpeg apparently is faster than this analysis. But maybe it's because it's running Python. Should have fixed that. We don't have timestamps, huh? Unfortunate. Well, we have timestamp of when I started. No, we don't. Neither have. Right, because I'm in a Nix shell. I thought my regular shell has timestamps. Yeah, it's important to me for these kind of situations. Oh, look, this one is already finished, so we just need to wait on JavaScript. Now we need to run. I guess we can run now. So, yeah. I've actually recorded some things about that auto video editor thing. So that's what we were working on last week. No stars. Okay, so currently it's mostly doing jump cut, and then we're also splitting up the videos in parts. But my other idea is to do track hackery first. So this will, I will separate the audio track from the video track, and I will make the program aware of those differences. which allows me to do much better detection of what audio is playing, and I can like lower the threshold of speech recognition. And then, well, not speech recognition, but audio recognition. That's what we're doing right now. And then after that, I want to do speech recognition, which is like there's an open source project to do this. And the difference with using this open source project, something like Speechmatics, is that it's free. Although it's probably way more crappy. But the thing I want to detect is not that important to get right. It's like stop words, like and whatever. And I think that's basically language agnostic. So yeah, I hope this works. Doesn't seem that hard to set up, but there you have it. And then YouTube upload, I don't know how important that is. I don't think that's important at all. Actually, that's just dropped in importance ever since I started working on it, because the automatic editing is way more interesting as a tool. Like, it saves way more time. The clicking around in YouTube is kind of annoying, but it's not that big of a deal. And the fact that it takes ages is not a big deal either, because I don't have to pay attention to it, which is all the gain I want. Like, just putting this thing on at night after doing a stream is fine, right? Could even take like 10 hours, I'll be fine with that. Just the fact that I don't have to do any editing, that's like all the gain. Yeah, why am I even talking about that project? I'm still excited about this. Also, I added more music to this. Cool. And I've kept the chatty open, so the bot has been busy all night. I wonder if it learns from itself. I hope not. Also, should make it a mod. Ban it. Mod. There you go, you're a mod now. Because now it can actually do the auto-banning or auto-banning timing out. So I added like 5 or 6 new songs, and there were like 50 songs already. I needed to delete 2 because they didn't work anymore. So, alright, be like 10% chance that we get a new song. I'm waiting for them. Yeah. So we can move this to the other workspace tree. And then all else fails, read instructions. Yes, I believe in that deeply. So this will start at the web server so we can check it out, see what we need to do. Actually, we have to do list, why am I not using that? Oh, I have to open it. Oh, this is the wrong one. Right, we need to fix this issue. Oh, this is actually fun. This is like a UX stuff. I'm thinking about making a select, like, okay, so this thing, right? This is what we're trying to do. And what they would do right now is write a name in here. So what I want to do maybe is also make this writable inside the roster system, so it's like really similar in UX. Or the other thing I can do is just put it in the form. I don't know. And then there's a bunch of little shit we like to do, like fixing permissions. I don't think it's necessary for the normal users to check it out like that. We also may need to add like places to the regular overview. I want to show it. Show. We can show it now. Right, so this is the regular overview, right? This is what we had before. And what I want to do, this is the view we made. And what I maybe was thinking about is adding like the place here, like next to the time or something. So many times have place. These are planned in. Oh my god. It's like making random noise. On my headphones, I mean. I don't think it's stream. I hope not. You can check it out. But there's a lot of audio. But why? Okay, whatever. Should be less than 25% and then I don't detect. But yeah. Maybe I fucked up my auto editing. Oh, I should just fix the track for this recording. The track stuff. Because I'm actually doing that right now. That was weird. What? Like this sound is from the player, right? It's cool. I think it hates me. Okay, cool. Let's check it out. So we made the places overview now. We can select places. Cool. And they get modified here as well. But now I want to be able to write a name in here. Or I want to update. Well, maybe actually I want to be able to just use this form to add people places. Let's do that first. Kevin remains selected. This is like a crappy way of planning it, but at least it will work. Ship it. I'm looking if like not too soft. Excellent. We should check perfect. I don't like these artifacts. Wait, I want to check it out. I want to see like if it's in the software, but I think it's just hardware, like the weird sound, whatever. Oh, I miss it. Well, I'm distracted because by the fucking headphones. Put them off. There, done. No, I don't need it. I know, I'll just crank it up. Music by proxy. Excellent. No issues. Not picking it up, alright? No, my noise gate isn't working. Cool. Okay, let's make this work. What we want to do is we want to make this plainin, this field being used by plainin. That's trivial, by the way. Because we already added the inside the entry. We got the ability to add a place. Maybe place. Place room even. So just fill that up and then make the backend aware of it. But I think it's already assigned even on the backend. Yeah, no. Or it actually looks like it, yes. We actually need to check something else as well. Because if this thing is equal to, if it's equal to no room, if entry is equal to no room. If entry is equal to no room, I don't want to do it. have it inside here. Oh, right. I think we can just do something crazy like no. So hard. You know what I want to do? I want to. Like, I don't want to put this in a database basically. If it's no room. Name shadowing, huh? Let me just fmap into that. Okay, that's actually kind of nicer. Yeah. Oh, we disabled auto formatting. I think I best to kill them. And just reboot. Raster or DB. Hey, say. Probably, I had a lot of time. So, did the editing finish yet? Where is it? No, it's still doing. I wonder how long it will take. That's actually like 8, I think 200 gigs of disk space, which is all the JPEG images. Ridiculous. Okay, yeah, now we filtered out that idea. I know that was like a micro optimization basically. Why did I even do that? Why do I waste my time? We need to make this work, this plainin thing. So we have the dynamic inside the plainin widget. Oh, it's like in the buttons or something, right? Yeah, we're not using it. Yeah, we stopped doing it. Yeah, we stopped using it. But it's actually a proper dime. So, proper dime. It's like the room dime, right? Right. We maybe even think about making a proper struct out of it, because it's getting a bit crazy. And now you can't pattern match on the result, huh? No, I'm using lenses. Yeah. Where is source form? Oh, you can set it, huh? Yeah, we don't need to set it on for Europe. We do need to set it. You have to raster type with it, but we need to set another thing, by the way. Oh, you're mapping over every because there can be multiple. Right. Yeah. So like, if we want to make the table itself configurable, which I think I may not. It seems really neat, like to basically mimic the experience of writing in a table, right? But if you're gonna do that, then I probably wanna get the result of like pressing on enter, send that event to this form, and then use this form to post because it has most of the information. Like you could override which people are selected and a place we already put like a similar way of. I want to have this kind of experience. I can just write it and then it will save. I want to write in here as well. Like the big problem is that times they'll be default. But like the way I got it from them is that they basically write down the names and then figure out the times later. So you would at least fill out this table with like default times or whatever, and then they can just align them or something. I don't know. But my idea is that you just pre-configure a time here. Like you basically use both of them. But you write a name in here, and then you can also maybe we'll actually put in a name, like a name field here. Anyway, place field here. So yeah, I feel like there could be another column next, but it's getting too big to be like off the screen, man. Video I think. I wonder if it's like, it sounds like it's making more noise. Oh, this is the other laptop. Right. 5 frames are there. I'm impatient. I also like kind of want to see the result anyway. It's just taking so long. This is not even, yeah, this is not even using FFmpeg. This is the actual program code they wrote. Okay, don't be distracted, Yappy. Don't be distracted. And you can do other. What do I want to do? I want to say place root. Let's actually grab entry and then we'll see what we need to set. The name of it also kind of important. At the entry. Maybe place room, huh? I have place room. I think it always exists. It's not maybe. X, R, Y. I have better names like this type. Type. Suppose we're going over templates, we map into that, and then we want to have the entry we're modifying, which is already called Y. Huh? Still want to modify that as well. I think does this work? Yes, that worked. I've seen this before. They even composed it like amazing. This is entry type, and we're composing that lens with another lens. How about that? We do entry room, and then I can't believe this. No, it doesn't work. Where did I see this? fuck am I doing, man? I'm making my lens magic even stronger. Oh, I've seen efficient now. Efficient. I think we can put. I've seen someone do this. Oh, fuck. Beautiful. Does this work? So we're no longer talking about... We're composing two setters together and putting it into the oven. What a pleb I was. Is anyone seeing it? You seeing? This is amazing. So neat. So yeah, like, it's basically doing this, right? It's doing entry type is equal to e type. And then we compose that function, which is a setter, with another setter. Entry room is equal to the main room setting here. We're not even talking about the object being modified. This is just a function that is gonna set something else. And what it's gonna set is the result of this map thing. There's a bunch of templates inside here, and we're gonna pass that thing in here, and it will go to this function first, being setting the room, and then we'll go to this function, setting the type. I want to quote the blog post I saw this, but I forgot. I just remember seeing that and thinking like, yeah, I could. So neat. It's doing so much in like so little. I don't see that anymore. Oh. So like I deleted now the variable for post, and turns out that's also because this thing is just implied through the path we're describing here. So it will just be like this thing is describing matches up with this part type signature. So we don't need to specify that variable. Yeah, actually I probably should also show. I didn't even know that you could use lenses like that. So yeah, post entry, this thing has a non-empty list of our roster, and we're mapping over that non-empty list like in fmap or map, like you would map over any ordinary list. And then we use this over setter thing, which is a setter like this thing, except it also gets the current current roster entry. We're getting that as a value, and we can play with that roster entry. So we use these setters to play with that roster entry base and modifying the room and the e-type, and then returning that result within the map post entry. Yeah, you're gonna write code like this, then you need to have types. But we set the room now, so it should actually work. We fixed that part with compile. Right, and one of the things I want to do with that, stop talking about the auto video, I think, but I'm addicted. I love this. I'm actually using this kind of constructs a lot, where I just had that ampersand everywhere. We should probably even look for it. I don't know if I can search. Maybe like space, ampersand, space. Oh, why is it showing up YAML files or whatever? Yeah, I'm doing it a lot of places. Yeah, like if you look at this, then you could use it. Okay, let's see. Let's break it down part by part. First of all, we can compose these. With each other. That's the compile so it works. Now we can delete. I was saying it seriously, but in that case I think it will. But these are very law-abiding, whatever. So we can delete that. It's so much neater. Yeah. So the difference is it was this before, and now it's this. Just a lot less crap around involved. Because the Yuri stuff wasn't even doing anything. It was only there because we needed to have the object to modify base. Oh, we need some. Cool. Let's actually make a separate commit because it's completely non-related. It's just some random refactoring. Yeah, I'm using that kind of construct a lot of places. So the fact that I find it out is so much neater. Oh, we can actually look it properly at the git diff. Oh, we got rid of these two characters. I actually needed to add the parent, which is kind of unfortunate. Thinking of a way of getting rid of parent stuff. So weird as well. We got rid of Yuri and Yuri here as well. But it's like getting rid of an entire name in exchange for a couple of parents. And that does one. Okay, we're not gonna count. I believe it's better. Just less stuff on the screen. More. I think I have unit tests as well. Let's check it out. It should work now. It's me. Yeah, cool. So I added some CNC soundtrack. And the original Command & Conquer had amazing music. I think I added like 3 or 4 different songs from it. So first we need to select. And then let's give it a place. Let's give it a place. This should be planned in a third room. Press plainin, success. And there it is. So it works. We can also select another place, torch it. And we still have selected him. And another day. It should all be updated. So this should also yeah. Okay, cool. Cool, everything is updating. I love reflex like this. Just everything works. We're making these small modifications. Well, we did most of the preparation last, but that was also kind of yeah. Like the big issue now is you can't really change. Like you can only plan in Kevin. We don't have any way of changing this. And we need to go to the other screen to do that, which is annoying. That's too annoying. So we the most obvious way of doing this is basically add another drop down, right? I've already done it twice and it works well. The problem is that this is a